Pay attention, everyone. We're going to do a cross-section question for a geometry test. A right circular cylinder has a diameter of 8 and a height of 12. Which two-dimensional figure shows a cross-section that's perpendicular to the base and passes through the center of the base? You have to use your imagination when you're doing cross-section questions. Always try to draw the diagram. Look at my diagram. You'll notice that I didn't use 8, a diameter of 8. There really isn't many math formulas that use diameter. Most of them all use radius. So I always end up drawing a radius just in case. But I don't know if that's going to affect this question. A cross-section is like a cut. Imagine this is a Play-Doh cylinder and you're cutting the Play-Doh. Most of the time, the questions ask you parallel to the base or perpendicular to the base. The base is the circles here. So parallel to the base would be a horizontal cut, taking your Play-Doh knife and cutting it this way. A cross-section is what flat surface do you see when you cut it? Perpendicular to the base is this way, cutting vertically like that, okay? So look at our cylinder. This wants it perpendicular to the base, so we're going to be cutting it this way. When we cut it this way, we end up getting an image that looks something like this. Imagine cutting your Play-Doh. I'm going to try to draw it the best I can to help your imagination. It wouldn't hurt to grab some Play-Doh and actually cut it and see what it looks like. Okay, so you see this figure in front of me now, this flat surface. A cross-section is a flat surface. What shape is that flat surface? It's a rectangle, obviously. So choices 1 and 2 were for parallel to the base, not perpendicular, if we cut the other way. Okay, so which rectangle is the answer? Well, all the way across here is going to be 8, and going down here is going to be 12. So the answer is choice 4. Cross-section are the cutting of three-dimensional shapes, and what flat shape do you see when you look at your cut? They're either cut perpendicular or they're usually cut parallel to the base. Hope this helped.